Turning back to First Alert weather, the winds whipping out there again today. Flags blowing, as you can see, in Center City.
A little bit cooler than it was yesterday.
And if you need any volume added to your hair, just go outside, because that's what happened to me. It's just wind blown. Really, we are just seeing such strong gusts all across the area. That is why we still have a wind advisory in place, and that's why it has just been extended. Atlantic City, 45-mile-per-hour for the top wind gusts there. Wilmington, 36, 37 for Reading, 38 here in Philadelphia. So not quite as high as yesterday. Yesterday we had some that were 50 and over 50, but this is still high and in that criteria that meets the wind alerts that we're seeing across the mid-Atlantic, all of Maryland included, Jersey, Pennsylvania. You head north, still included in that wind advisory. So for us, gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour and sustained winds, meaning just sustained throughout the whole day, the whole afternoon, the whole evening, 15 to 25 miles per hour, if not more. So gusts right now, we're seeing that over 30 across pretty much almost all of our area. Look at Mount Holly, 41 miles per hour, 45 for Atlantic City, 24 for Wildwood, 28 there for Bluebell, and 32 for Coatesville. Why? Well, we know we had that strong system yesterday, and that area of low pressure still pulling away, and you can still see how gusty and windy it's going to be for tomorrow as well. Temperatures will be in the 30s, but the wind chill will make it feel like the 20s. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon will be in the 50s, but the wind chill will make it feel like the 40s. So it's going to be a very windy and brisk day across the area from start to finish. Friday, you have these gusts here over 20 miles per hour, taking you close to the lunch hour now for the wind gusts here across more of the metro area and into South Jersey. You can see, look at these numbers. These are in the upper 20s and over 30s in some locations. This continues on now until 3, 4 o'clock. It's not until maybe later on Friday evening we see it relax just a little bit, but really this is still going to be pretty strong. So what does it make it feel like for you for Friday morning? Teens for places like Coatesville, into the suburbs like Lansdale, 19, low 20s elsewhere. Taking you into the afternoon hours on Friday, feeling like the upper 20s and low 30s. And again, temperatures in the 50s, but this is what it's going to feel like. You have upper 30s and lower 40s. So all in all, a pretty chilly day. Saturday, still breezy, not quite as bad, but still breezy. High pressure does build in for Sunday. Things relax a little bit for us, and we see milder conditions with some partly cloudy skies. Temperatures here will be in the 50s. So if you're looking for the better of the 2 days, I mean, both days are pretty much dry, but you'll have less wind and more 50s. Right now, we got all the wind that we have across the area. It does stay with us, as we said, through the overnight hours, through that evening commute. Hold on tightly if you're driving to that steering wheel, because those gusts can just come out of nowhere from time to time. And then again, overnight, temperatures in the 30s, but feeling again like the 20s and the teens. So the heavy coats necessary for tomorrow morning as you head out the door. Windy conditions with us, better weather for us here as we get into Sunday and beyond. You're looking at lots of 60s on this 10-day, ladies, as we go into next week.
That looks nice.
Yeah, we'll take it. Michelle, thank you.